Hi guys, just we'll make the parakeet. So I've taken the measurements, so we will just make the curve. So this becomes the head, and there comes the beak, probably around 1.5 centimeters, and you become like that. Make it like this, and then you join. That becomes almost the head. Okay, around here. Okay, just make it like this, like this, like this, like this, and you join it here. Okay, and then you just make a bit of a curve there, something like that. Okay, and the tail starts from here, and then you don't have to make it longer here. It can be 4 centimeters, and that's it. So that's one parrot. And now you can curve and bring this here, probably 2 centimeters down, and somewhere here comes the eyes, and then around it comes that. That's it. So that's one parrot, and then can make it beak a bit more curved there, because it has very sharp and pointy beak. Okay, now let's get on with the other parrot. So this one, you just make the top bit, and then you go for the curved beak, and then you come down, and then you just make the wings of the parrot, something like that. And then here comes the 3 lines, the legs. That's it. Wing goes down, and this also comes there. And then somewhere here comes the eye, and then comes the brown bit. Okay, and then you can just elongate this one a bit, and then the branch. So that's the parrot. And you can just make the leaves according to your imagination. Could be something like a Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa kind of leaf. Those kind of wild tropical plant you can make. So that's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.